Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make brownies without butter. You can easily achieve delicious, fudgy brownies using simple substitutions. Many common pantry items work wonderfully as alternatives, maintaining the texture and flavor you love. We'll explore options like various oils, applesauce, and even some unexpected ingredients that keep your brownies moist and rich. Get ready to bake a fantastic batch without needing any butter at all. When using oils like vegetable, canola, or melted coconut oil, you're in for a treat. These oils are fantastic for creating incredibly fudgy and moist brownies. Simply substitute the butter with an equal amount of your chosen oil. For example, if your recipe calls for 1/2 cup of butter, use 1/2 cup of oil. This simple swap ensures a rich, dense texture and a wonderfully intense chocolate flavor that everyone will love. For a slightly healthier twist, consider using unsweetened applesauce or mashed ripe avocado. Applesauce is a great one-to-one butter replacement, significantly reducing fat content while keeping your brownies moist. Mashed avocado also works well, adding healthy fats and a wonderfully creamy texture without any noticeable avocado flavor. Plain Greek yogurt is another excellent option, contributing moisture and a slight tang that complements the chocolate beautifully. These swaps are perfect for a guilt-free indulgence. To ensure your butter-free brownies turn out perfectly, remember a few key tips. Since substitutes can affect moisture, keep an eye on your baking time. It might vary slightly. Avoid overmixing the batter. Stir just until the ingredients are combined to keep your brownies tender and not tough. For easy cleanup and storage, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof containers, along with other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, fudgy, butter-free brownies.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.